Another day, another product from Aliexpress. And this one, it's not cheap, it's around 15 US dollars. And why it's so pricey? Because it's very amazing product. And what is it? It's a smart LED floor lamp, RGB, remote and app control, music sync, corner lighting timer, modern mood, standing lamp for living room, gaming room, whatever you want. You can order one or you can order two of them. And this product is, the height is 120 centimeters. That is pretty big. I found it interesting and that's why I ordered it and I got it. Oh, and they packed without bubbles. Oh, this is pretty big. Whoa. And yes, this is not 120 centimeters. I need to assemble it. And what it says on the box: you can control the brightness, includes remote control, music sync, app control, sleep mode, timing. Oh, let's open it. Ooh, tubes. Need assembling. Okay, we have 2, 4, right. The remote control, it's a little bit different, never mind. Attachments, the instruction manual with QR code for scanning and downloading the app. I will do that for sure. The stand, and this is the main unit, which is, what is this, a Type-C cable with Type-A USB connector, and this is the controller. Here, let me show you. You can see right there is the microphone. Alright, and we have only one push button for changing effects and also the infrared receiver. But what is I'm worrying about, oh, he have a Bluetooth antenna also. Oh, the microphone, there is no hole to receive, maybe from here. We're gonna check that. Let's assemble first the lamp. And I scanned the code, and on Google Play you can find it as Lotus Lamp X install. This is a little bit heavy, that is nice. I'm gonna remove this and I'm gonna try to install now. Oh, here it is, the LED strip with RGB LEDs. Oh, I need to place like this. Okay, I'm gonna do that for sure. On the side we have, yes. Ooh, pretty long. Here we have a rail where the LED, let me show you, need to go properly, just like this. Take a look. And now just you push, it's easy. And we're gonna attach it with the other part. Using one of these attachments. Okay. Push to be aligned with another one. And here we go. Alright. It's pretty long. Can you see it? And on the top I need to add the cap. Okay, and from this side we have the Type-C power port for attaching this controller. Let's do that. And before testing, let me read some of the specification. It says that it has 16 million colors, smart app control, sync with your music, the LED gaming lights with built-in high sensitivity microphone, minimal design, widely used home decoration. It says that the LEDs are around 20 watts and with 50,000 hours of life. Material ABS. The case is black. Multicolor voltage DC 5 volts 1 ampere it says. Power 20 watts. 5 volts 1 ampere 5 watts. Power 20 watts. Weird. Power supply USB. Connection Bluetooth. Need to install yes. Package include. Alright. Time for testing now. Come on. Plug in first the Type-C connector. Alright. It's not fitting my table. Sorry. And let's power up in 3, 2, 1. Wow! Whoa! And you can control using one button on the controller. Oh, this is nice. What? Whoa! Let me kill the lights. It's not fitting my table. These are some of the effects. Come on. Take a look. Take a look. This is amazing. And this is great for Christmas, for New Year, for holidays, for decoration for your home, for party, for music party. A lot of effects. Just to grab the remote control and see does it work. Nope, it's not working because there is no batteries inside. And the remote control needs 2 AAA batteries. Okay. Turning off. Where is it? On. Off. And it's off. On. One more time. Off. Yes. On. Okay, we have a white light. Beautiful. Also you can control the brightness. That is nice. Red, green, blue. You have a timer for 1 hour, timer for 2 hours. You can choose whatever color you want. Take a look. Let's go with the brightness with the maximum. That is the maximum. This is my favorite. Warm, white or orange. Speed. Night. What is this? Wow. And it reacts on the sound. Take a look at this. Beautiful. For this, please give a like. A big like. Oh, speed. It's like a giant VU meter. Beautiful. Alright. And here it is on my Bluetooth devices. LED color 55. The apps need to use this device. Done. Pairing. And take a look. Power on. Okay. Let's set to green. I can set to yellow. Go to blue. Violet. This is nice. Brightness. I can control the brightness. What? Also, allow Lotus Lamp X to record Audio allow. Okay, never mind. And take a look. It showed the patterns on the phone with rhythm 1, spectrum, scroll, energy. Also, you can pick up the sound from the phone microphone or through the music. Oh, nice. This is beautiful. Autoplay. What is this? A lot of functions, but never mind. This is one of the best products that I got from Aliexpress, and it's beautiful for Christmas, for New Year. The link will be in description below so you can check it. And it's reacting to my voice. Scroll. Whoa! Okay, right now is in my living room, and you can see the actual size of the floor lamp. And turning on, and take a look at that. How beautiful is that? Please comment in the comments below, what do you think? Is this awesome or what? I'm gonna change some effects. Oh, and my cat is very curious about the lamp. Where are you going? I will go now to music or voice reaction. Here it is, and take a look. Beautiful, amazing. I don't know how to express myself, and I'm too excited about this awesome light. Floor lamp, RGB lamp, and it's beautiful. Wow. Oh, and you can control the light using 3 methods on the controller with the push button, with the remote control, or you can use the app. Take a look. Let's go to the rhythm. No. Oh. And now the lamp is pointed to the wall, and the effect is better, I think. What do you think? Let's change it to some another effects. I'm using the remote control. Take a look. I think that when the lamp is pointed to the wall, it is giving better effect. Oh. And this is my favorite. Rainbow effect. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!